Imbeciles! Fools! Nincompoops! Can't you idiots do anything right? According to this, your track record for spreading evil is pathetic!
But Bowser, it's not our fault.
That wretched army
Is to blame. I will not let anything stand in the way of evil. Especially not a brainless orange marsupial.
Mario.
Must be eliminated.
Uka Uka, need I remind you that Crash always finds a way to defeat us? Maybe he's just too good for us.
Enough excuses! You 5 idiots need to come up with one good plan! Or else... How do I get into these situations?
There must be something we can come up with. Say,
Ludwig.
haven't you been tinkering with some kind of new secret weapon in your laboratory?
I don't know what you're talking about, Entropy.
Dr. Cortex! I think he's referring to this super secret weapon you've been laboring over day and night since the last time Crash defeated you.
Enough bickering! Do we have a plan? Well, in my scientific endeavors, I've been able to create a genetically advanced superweapon of unbelievable strength. But the power source is the final missing crucial element. Elements. Yes!
We are going to the zoo.
Right!
We are going to the zoo.
That's it! If released, their destructive energy could create enough power to bring my secret weapon to life. We'd have a weapon capable of crushing mountains, demolishing entire cities!
Ludwig, have you ever seen my shotgun?
And wiping Crash Bandicoot off the face of the earth forever! Get ready to face my wrath, Crash Bandicoot!
Hey, move out of the way.
Yo, what's happening to him?
Hey, look, Morty. Wait a minute. Let me see. There is nothing here. Is that the Triceratops? Oh. I think he's dead. What? This dinosaur was extinct at 6 million years ago. Hey, Roy. What is it? Look. Ludwig, what do you mean this? Discount? 1 pound jar salad for food and drink? Hey! Excuse me. Hey, I need help. Where are you? I need to kill that Mario. Hey, you go, buddy. Come in. Come on. Hey. Where are you? Get in the elephant, okay? Alright, everyone, ride the elephant! Where am I now? Huh? Everyone, look! Hey. Hey, Lizard. What is it already, Iggy? Can you please attack Mario with a fish? Okay.